we are cooking the grilled chicken in an oven. So it's cooking. I can show you guys how it looks like now. So we will put it few more minutes. We changed the temperature several times. Now in the final I put it on 550 because I want to put a little bit burn on the top. Outside there should be burn. We just made the salad uh, the grill. We will eat it with the grilled chicken. We made it with the mayonnaise, yogurt, and the cucumber, also some onion chop. We also cooked the fresh naan, and the naans looks so soft. You can see it's like super fresh. So we are bringing it out and we will show you again. This is the final looks. You can see how yummy looks it. So we can show.
এটা ছোপ দিলে
This is the final looks. We will eat it now. So see you next time.